These are essentially the shock absorbers for your entire life. When they start to creak or throb after a surgery or a long run, you might feel desperate enough to try anything that promises a fix. Lately, a specific device called the Velariona PostCare Pro has been flooding social media feeds with some incredibly bold claims. It looks like a high-tech sleeve that wraps around your joint and promises to be the ultimate solution for recovery. The ads say it can melt away scar tissue and speed up healing through a combination of heat, vibration, and red light therapy. We have to look past the flashy videos and see if this is a real breakthrough or just another generic gadget with a fancy label. The core technology here is not actually science fiction. Heat therapy is a classic method for loosening up stiff muscles and joints. Vibration can definitely help with blood circulation and providing some temporary relief from minor aches. Even red light therapy has some interesting research backing its use for tissue health. The basic ideas behind the product are grounded in real therapy concepts. That part is not a scam. However, the alarm bells start ringing when you see phrases like the gold standard or suggestions that it can stop you from losing your physical therapy progress overnight. No wearable massager can replace a dedicated physical therapist or a professional rehabilitation plan. The marketing suggests that over 700 specialists trust this specific brand. Yet, when you go looking for the names of these surgeons or actual clinical studies, the evidence is hard to find. This is a very common tactic in the world of viral health products. Companies often take a basic imported therapy device and wrap it in a professional-sounding brand to target people in pain. It is easy to get caught up in the emotional promise of finally walking without discomfort. You might see reviews on their website from people saying it changed their lives. Some of those could be genuine. Many people find that simple heat and massage do wonders for arthritis or general stiffness. You just have to be realistic about what a consumer electronics device can actually do. This will not regrow your cartilage. It will not fix a torn ligament that requires a surgical intervention. It is a comfort tool, rather than a medical miracle. If you are dealing with a recent surgery or major swelling, you must talk to your doctor before using something like this. There are real risks for people with circulation issues or implanted medical devices. The company uses very aggressive social media tactics, which can sometimes be a red flag. We have seen similar brands struggle with shipping delays and poor customer service in the past. If you decide to try it, use a protected payment method and read the refund policy carefully. Don't treat it as a replacement for your medical appointments or your exercise routine. It is essentially a high-end heating pad with some extra features. That might be exactly what you want for a little bit of relaxation after a long day. Just don't let the shiny ads convince you that it is a surgical-grade medical instrument. It is important to stay skeptical and stay informed because your health is worth much more than a catchy internet advertisement. Real recovery takes time and work. There are no shortcuts that come in a box from a social media ad. Be smart about how you treat your body and always prioritize professional medical advice over a marketing script.